Did you know that the coronavirus can actually survive for over a week on an iPhone? Yeah, I'm scared as well. But at THEUnboxing we're here to help, and today I'm going to show you how you can clean your iPhone, disinfect your iPhone and all that stuff so the coronavirus is gone of your iPhone with a lot of household objects. So I have a couple of things in front of me. I have a toothpick, an ear tip, both in wood, which is good for the environment, so no plastic. A cleaning cloth for your glasses. These can be microfiber or they can be with some kind of alcohol solution as well. A cotton pad and some scotch tape as well. Right, so the first thing I'm going to do is clean up the charge port with the toothpick. Don't use metal things like an aluminium toothpick or other stuff in aluminium, and just get all the fluffiness and all the dirtiness. As you can see, all this dirtiness is coming from my phone. Just get it out of there. Like this. Oh, look at this. Oh, it's still coming out. Oh my. So this came out of my phone like right now. So this is dirtiness. And if you want to go full in and you think there's a lot of dirtiness in there, then you can use the little cotton thing over here. Wrap it around the toothpick and get it in there like this. And clean up all the dirtiness. As you can see, it's also dirty as well. Right, so that's clean. Now we're going to use the ear tip, which we're going to use for the earpiece over here, ear tip, earpiece, and for the edges as well, and for the microphones on the bottom. Some of these things might look weird to you, but it's important that you get every single piece of your phone so that there is no bacteria or other dirtiness left after you've cleaned it completely. And then for one of the last things, I'm going to use a bit of tape just to clean out the earpiece as well. So just get it in there, make sure it sticks, and then clean it out like this, and then you'll have a very nice piece of tape with a little bit of dirtiness on there as well. Maybe over here on the camera bump as well, if you have a camera bump, make sure it's wrapped around there and pick it up as well. The last part you can actually do different. Normally most of the people use a microfiber cloth because you can't have any alcohol and other solutions on there, but with a cloth that's used for glasses to see from, it should work as well. I've already used it and I didn't have any issues. So but if you're not sure, use a microfiber cloth in this case. My screen is getting a lot cleaner already. Make sure you get every spot, every piece of your phone, especially the backside, because the backside can attract a lot of bacteria. And there you have it, a super shiny phone. Is this magic? Will this make sure that there are no bacteria left on the phone? No, not at all. It will just help you clean your phone. It will make your phone look better. It will make your phone less of a bacteria hazard as well, because I've cleaned up a lot of dirtiness of the phone. But still, after about, I think, 30 minutes, my phone, it's probably already again full of bacteria because I've put it on the table. So you can't really get all of those bacteria away, but it's a good start. Don't forget to wash your hands as well, of course, when you use the phone. And don't give your phone away to other people because they'll probably not wash their hands most of the times, and then your phone will get other bacteria, and that's how you get the coronavirus, and that's not what we want, of course. Yeah. Okay, if you actually liked this video, don't forget to click the subscribe button to stay updated on our new content. This was THEUnboxing, and I'll see you in my next video.